This is an antique Willcox Gibbs chain stitch sewing machine head. Serial number is A597413. Excuse me. It's been serviced and is in good working order. I have it mounted on a table with the motor. Those do not come with the machine. It's for demonstration purposes only. It can be mounted to a hand crank stand, a treadle base, or one of the electric motor bases. I also make a video showing how to thread the machine. You can see the decals have some wear, but it's not that bad a condition. And I've got basically pillow cloth that was already stitched once, and just going to show you how well it stitches. Now, hooking up to a motor, what it does, it gives a full speed test, so you can see that it doesn't break stitch or miss any stitches. Try to get this turned around here. That was already stitched once for a photo taken in the ad, and you can see it's got a symmetrical chain stitch. There you have it.